Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So guys, as you can see on my screen, I have a new app to share with you guys that can help you earn some extra. Please listen to this video carefully and watch it until the end for you to understand the whole procedure. So on this app, you can earn in different ways. We have surveys, we have games, and the good thing about it is that they even reward you per every signing in. Like on a daily basis, you have to sign in, and which is not a must, but they will reward you. All this earning you're seeing here, I've earned it from the signing in, okay? And I've not been like, I'm new, okay? So I found this good app where you can play games, you can earn. You don't need VPN. Don't use VPN. Just go to your okay, you don't need to go anywhere because I'm going to give you the link for registration. I'm going to put it on the description of the video, and again WhatsApp group link for you to join us and get more updates, okay? Or in case you have any question, you can be able to inbox me directly on WhatsApp. So if you're new on my channel, this is the first time you're watching my video, kindly consider subscribing. My name is Cynthia. You are all welcome. If you have any question, you can comment and also join our WhatsApp so that you'll be able to reach me. As I've said earlier, like the video and turn on notification bell for future videos. So first, let me show you something. Today is Monday, right? So being that today is Monday, you can see claim. So today is Monday, right? So I'm gonna click on claim, and you can see your daily horoscope awaits. Discover what the stars have in the store for you today, and get rewards for reading your personalized horoscope. So for now, I'm not going to read it, okay? I'm just going to and do it so that I can receive my own reward, because I'm doing tutorial with this video. So you can see right here, guys, your balance has increased with 0.02 USD. So this is just yeah, mama. So this is just for checking in. Yeah, mama. Okay, so I'm gonna click on okay, and you can see here too, they have boosted my earnings for 19 minutes, for the next 19 minutes. So I'm gonna undo that. So it's okay now. You can see I was having a balance of 81 cents. Now I'm having 83, guys. You can see up here, okay? I remember the link will be on the description of the video. So guys, you can see games, right? You can see games. So this, I'm playing two games right here. I'm gonna show you an example. And guys, there is an app that I said in the yesterday video that you need. You need the app known as VIA. Go to Play Store and download this app. I don't know whether you read it as VIA, but I read it as VIA. It is written this way, VIA. It's a browser. Go download it, please. You really need it for this game. Okay, so you can see swipe it, board wooden puzzle. So you're gonna earn while playing. You're gonna earn 3.88 cents. You can see, and this game, this one called Vegas Keno. Excuse me. You're gonna earn $47.20. So guys, the good thing about this app is that it doesn't need any VPN. Listen to me. As for me, I was never asked any VPN, okay? And in my country, so I don't know what about your country, but try use it without VPN first, okay? Because if you use VPN, they will detect and tell you to disconnect, okay? So we have different games with different prices. So you can see this game here, Exan Garden Stack, is paying $91. So they have different instructions. So I'm playing this. So I'm going to give you an example with this particular one. You can see I'm already playing this one. So they will direct you You can see I'm gonna earn $9 in this game when I complete everything. So start playing is 00. So you can see it has been ticked. I want you to see the progress here. It has been ticked. So the second one, I started it yesterday, and they have instructions. Always look at the top of every game that you want to play. Here you can see they have different number of days or period you are given to play the game, okay, before it expires. So I have 54 days to play this particular one. Some have 3 days, some 5, some 10. So it depends with the game itself, okay. So I have to finish step 25, that is level 25. Right now I'm in level 5 for me to earn 0.09 cents. So if you take your time and finish the game, my dear, you're gonna get your reward. So if I finish step 50, I'm going to get 20 cents. So with this game, I'm still having time to finish, and when I reach step 500, I'm going to get $2. If I finish 1000 steps, I'm going to get $5, and if I add all of them, they're gonna be in total $9.04. You can see task recognition confirmed. Make sure yours is confirmed. How are they going to do it? If you are doing this for the first time, you're gonna connect the game. You just go with the link, like you can see continue. They're gonna tell you to continue or play the game. They're gonna direct you. You're supposed to download the app, that game app. So this is what I'm telling you guys to use. You see this browser here? Yes, sweetheart. This browser here, this small one called, it is having red, blue, and orange logo. Or is that icon? Yeah, this one, the second one. There, go download it. So I'm going to use it to open up, because if you go to Chrome will deny you, like it will tell you that your phone cannot carry it, or you cannot download it, the country, blah blah blah. So that is why I'm recommending this. So if you see something like this, go to this option. Don't go to install, go for the second option, see in Play Store. So click. So I'm giving you example with this one, then they will tell you the website. If you click on that, you have to click on the OK, allow website to open on Google. Okay, allow website to open on Google. I'm going to tap on the OK down there. So they're gonna direct me to the game self, the game app that I'm supposed to download. I've already downloaded this one. I've been playing it, as you have seen on the screen. Okay, so let us wait for it to load. So I'm going to click on play, because already I'm having the game, but on your case you're going to see download or install. Okay, so for me, I'm going to go to play. Okay, so I'm already on level 5 on this one, so I'm still continuing with the play, okay, until I finish. So I make sure that I finish with that given period. Okay, then we're gonna go back to the app to show you the payouts and other things. Okay, my phone is full, it's fully full, and the network too is low. Yeah, you see the game, so I've already started playing this game. Okay, so I've already started playing the game, guys. So that's why you can see this. Yeah, mommy, wait for mom. So I'm ready. Like, I don't want to make the video too long, guys. Yeah, so that is what you're supposed to do. We have different games with different instructions. Make sure you follow instructions according to that videos, that games or site, that company, or the games app, please, or the instructions given there. Follow them. Okay.